Hello, my name is Albin and I work at Packoplock Scandinavia in Norrköping in Sweden. We are a reselling company which is specialized in packaging material. Today we are standing in our main warehouse in Norrköping and we have here a lot of indoor traffic, over 70 active forklifts working here every day. This created the need for finding a protection. And before we had steel barriers which created problems for us. The problems that we had with our steel barriers was that it's created cracks in our floor when a collision happened. It also damaged our forklifts, and sometimes we did need to close down section of our warehouse, which resulted in that we couldn't hold our delivery promises to our customers. To solve this problem, we took the decision to move from our steel barriers to the PE barriers we have today, and that's why we came in contact with d-flexx. By implementing d-flexx products with their bright color, we made it easier for our employees to navigate the workspace. This also prevented damages in the floor and also downtown, which made it easier for us to focus on our core business.